our government has 3 times now announced, like, we found them, we got aliens now. Oh shit, we messed up. Actually, not really. Like the NASA one on Mars, they famously had a rover detect signs of life. I think it was 2 rovers. They did 6 tests combined. They all with devices meant to find life, and they all came back positive. And they said that wasn't good because they didn't detect organic compounds. But now they have detected the organic compounds, but nobody went back and was like, oh, well, then we were right the first time. And then we found that meteor, I think in Antarctica, somewhere cold, one of the poles, that was from Mars. A meteor had hit Mars, a rock had blown into space, it had landed on Earth, and they think they saw bacterial fossils. But the problem was they were orders of magnitude smaller than the bacteria we have here, and so they discounted that. And then, of course, you've got the Roswell incident where it's in the papers. We got a UFO. Well, that turned out to be not a weather balloon. The weather balloon story was a cover story, but it was for an atmospheric balloon that was meant to detect, I think, nuclear tests from the Soviets. And so that was like top secret technology that they were trying to like double hide. They're like, it wasn't aliens, but it also wasn't a weather balloon. And so that's why when you look into this, there's all sorts of like inaccuracies and people who don't want to talk and stuff like that.
Yeah. And they've blown their wad, you're right, a couple times. I remember like in high school or college, that first one where a friend of mine who's really into space was like, confirmed Mars life. And then it was like, no, maybe this is before they did that organic test or whatever and like reconfirmed it. But I don't think they have to like have fingers and be smarter than us. But I've said this is my standard. You have to be able to see it with the naked eye, and preferably as big as a lizard. Like it's got to be something scurrying. It has to be something that if it ran across my desk right now, what the fuck? It can't. So
here's why finding bacteria on Mars would be huge. For one thing, you'd be able to determine if panspermia is how Earth got here, if it came from another planet. So you'd be able to look at the bacteria on Mars and determine if it's related to our bacteria. And if it is, it means that life here probably came from Mars. At one point, Mars, Earth, and Venus were all liquid water, ocean planets in the habitable zone for long periods of time, long enough for life to crop up on any of those planets. So like that alone would be a huge step forward. And just knowing and proving that like it's not a one-off. And think about it, if there's life here, obviously, because we're here, and there's life on the next closest planet, what does that say about life in the greater like universe? Like it must be everywhere if it's here and in Mars.
Found them both.
Galaxies, each one of them with 100 to 400 billion stars, and it's all right here.
Yep. Lucky us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to see a fossil of something bigger than teeny tiny bacteria on Mars.
Yeah, I would too. I'd like to see a lizard. So something like
lizard, snake, something with fingers.
Crabs.
Crabs. Yeah.
You know what I fall asleep listening to? It's the same thing every single night. I go to my YouTuber, John Michael Gaudier, and I listen to him talk about space and speculative science and stuff like that. And he's got such a deep, calming voice. Like people accuse him of being AI sometimes, and so he'll talk funny to like make you see that it's not an AI.
That's not the guy that sort of speaks about space in this way, is it?
No, this is an American guy. He's an author and a futurist. He's written a few books. I think his books are about AI. Which
can't anyone be a futurist? Just be like, it's going to get bananas.
Well, he's made a career of it. He's made a career of it.
It's going to get bananas. It's genius.
You guys can't even imagine. Tell us about it. You're not ready. Like
he'd probably be a pretty good guest. He has his own podcast, and he interviews a lot of like intellectuals and like professors and scientists. They're about like hard fact stuff about quantum physics and cosmology and stuff. Like he'll have a lot of professors and authors on. I really like his channel. It does put me to sleep, but that's in a good way. Like I don't know. He's got a very soothing like deep
dude.
voice.
I would love to have a space intellectual on this show. Just to be like, space, what's that about? And just stars, they can't possibly be as hot as they say.
They'd melt.
No.
Right, if stars were that hot, they'd melt.
Every single response, you're like, I don't know. just bothering him.
What did I say earlier? Like, I've never heard that before. Or
Oh,
not
to my
according
knowledge.
to not to my knowledge. Not to my knowledge.
I'd ask leading questions to like only disprove things you've told me, Kyle. I'd be like, Neptune, definitely a planet, right? You'd be like, oh, indubitably. Only a retard would say otherwise.
I guarantee he would somewhat co-sign at least my reasoning for like why the planets are being judged like with different criteria, and it doesn't seem fair.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh man, we need to book one of these guys.
We need to make this happen.
This would be so funny.
I guarantee he'd agree with me.
Just be like, how fast can you go? And
no matter what he answers, just be like, no, you personally, until he gives us his top running speed. Like, I don't know, like 13 miles an hour.
and like I ask all the questions with tented fingers. Like hypothetically, if one were to go, say, 3 miles an hour faster than the speed of light, what would occur?
Oh,
Like,
he would know that the math says you would go backwards in time.
And then I would ask, what if you went 5 miles an hour faster than the speed of light?
And he would leave. Yeah, you get fast with the speed of light. Time goes backwards.
And I would respond to his answers, and I'd be like, as I suspected.
Just as I thought.
Yes.
That's
my
what
my math says the same.
Yeah, that's what I came up with my calculations as well. That Einstein, he knew what he was talking about, eh?
Yeah. I ran some number. My calculator says boobs.
Oh, you've been shortchanged. Boobies.
Oh, boobless.
Now, biggest numbers, a big topic.
Like, what's the biggest number that you can think of? I'm not gonna tell you mine. I want to wait to see yours. You add a 1, then you add a 1.
Oh, I'm surprised you said that. I can think of at least 3 more. Like, we got to get one of those guys. That would be so fucking funny. I'm having fun imagining this.
I mean, that guy's my favorite, but I wouldn't want to troll him because, like, I really like him. Like he's one of the YouTubers I watch where I really dig this guy. I like his sense of humor. I like how he talks about this stuff. I'm really into it.
Well, it wouldn't all be troll. No, I'd just only troll. I
You
know
just
myself.
troll.
Yeah, probably just troll.
You just troll.
What's the biggest number you can think of? It's a big topic. Hold your hats for this one.
A lot of people have been talking about this. I've gotten a lot of Twitter suggestions for the biggest number.
You joke, but that'd be an interesting topic because not that there's like name the biggest number you think of, but there are different. It would though because the biggest number is
we need to tackle it then.
No, it would be because there are different quantities of infinity. Not all infinities are created equal.
That'd be funny to be like, and like some of these big numbers, I can't even fathom. 400. Like,
actually, as I think about it, I'm not sure what the biggest number I can think of is. I know quadrillion's a real number.
Septillion as well. Octillion.
I was wondering what penta was. Like, is it pentillion?
Pentillion.
Pentillion.
Yeah. And then you got sextillion, septillion, octillion, nonillion, decillion, undecillion, duodecillion. Yeah. But you could also go.
I'm not sure the ones after decillion were real.
You could just say.
I know. Look up undecillion. I know.
You could just say. You could just add to the power. You could say 100 to the quintillionth power. You know, that's what.
I know there's that like meme math number, a Googleplex, which is a Google to a power of a Google, right?
Yeah.
It's not Google though. It's close to it. It's like Googleplex or something.
Oh, Googleplex. Yeah.
Yeah. Just it's one followed by 100 zeros.
And don't they say that's like more atoms than even exist by our estimation?
I
Really?
don't know. We don't know how many atoms exist.
Another good question.
It's
How many atoms are there?
Be specific.
Yeah, like I was saying earlier, in the observable universe, there's 2 trillion galaxies, and each galaxy has 1 to 400 million stars. I think it's 100 could be billion though. I think it's million. I think it's 100 to 400 million stars per galaxy times 2 trillion galaxies.
A Google
And those are
Plex
just the ones we can see.
10
It's
to
closer
the
to-
power of a Google. According to
it's
Wikipedia.
closer to Google than I thought. It's wow. I thought it was. Oh, a Google is 1 followed by 100 zeros. GOOGOL.
It's billion. It's
Google
100
Plex
billion
is a Google
trillion.
followed by a Google to the power of Google. Yeah, that's a
Because
really big number.
A typical book printed with 1 million zeros, around 400 pages with 50 lines per page and 50 zeros per line. Therefore, it requires 10 to the 94th such books to print all the zeros of a Googleplex. If each book had a mass of 100 grams, all of them would have a total mass of 10 to the 93rd kilograms, which would be bigger than Earth
Dude,
by a lot.
even their the number of books this would take is a number you can't fathom. The
Yeah.
weight of it is a number you can't fathom. Yeah.
That's too many books. We shouldn't do it.
Mm-mm.
You shouldn't do it. The book's way more than the planet.
Just burning the rainforest on some weird dictator's quest to print enough books. What would you ask a physicist, Jordan?
God, see, this is the whole thing. I know. Yes, thank you for the pence fingers, everybody. I'm about to say it's going to be very intellectual.
We're all being
I don't
pensive.
really know what a physicist does.
Nah.
I don't really know anything about this.
Don't get me started.
Continue the pensive things, please. Yes.
What is it that you do here?
Okay. So the pensive fingers now is you guys employing him. Like, is that?
Yeah.
That's why we have this.
How fast would an apple have to go to destroy life on Earth?
Oh, there's a YouTube channel for that.
Is it XKCD? They do stuff like that sometimes.
Yeah, there's a YouTube channel where they show you what would happen if various objects moving at the speed of light were to hit the Earth. There was a particle that hit the Earth they detected in I think the 90s, and then it happened again in like 2010. And they think it was like a proton, so like a subatomic particle hit the Earth at like 99.9% the speed of light. And they said it hit with the power of a baseball going 100 miles per hour, but it's a proton, and they can map back where it came from, and that sort of thing would happen naturally by like a supernova or a collision of 2 stars, or like a neutron star exploding or something like that, some crazy catastrophic event deep in space. But when they track it back, the region of space that it came from is a void. There's nothing there. That's one of my favorite little space mysteries of like why
it
are
just
there
must
particles?
have come from somewhere further away that we can't even see.
We can
yet.
see all the way.
No,
Really, really, really far.
not the whole way.
Well, that's the question, isn't it? Like whether the universe is infinite or not, or if there's an end to it. Nobody knows.
Kept me up many nights.
Yeah. Well, I mean, doesn't it? You've never thought about that? Whether
Pondering the
universe is infinite or not?
cosmos.
Do you not? Do you not ponder the cosmos? I think about it all the time, like whether the universe could be infinite or not. The idea of infinity, like I love little like thoughts
Yeah, of
like
course.
that.
But then I'll jump back to reality and be like, you know what? I will get the Caniac combo.
Double bread. Keep that
Double
coleslaw.
bread. Keep your
What is the
mayo-
Caniac combo?
It's the biggest size they have at Raising Cane's with the chicken tenders.